Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining me. Today is a very special day. We got the knife all finished up and we're ready for the big reveal. But first, we're gonna go back to the shop to finish up the handle and the kydex sheath, and then it's time for the big reveal. Hope you guys are ready. Let's go. We're back in the shop for day three for the final process. Scott's done a lot of work on the handle, getting it shaped up. All right, well, I hope you're ready because here we go. This thing is so badass. I can't wait to show you. We're gonna test the edge and see how well it performs. Got some paracord here. Got some Tyvek paper here. Let's see what that does. Well, what do you think about the knife I built? Let me know down in the comments. I want to thank my friend Scott from Metal Bros Customs for letting me come out and forge my own knife. That was an awesome experience. If you'd like to know more about Scott and Metal Bros Customs, let me show you some stuff right now. All right, Scott, walk me through some of these builds you have here.
Okay, so right now this is just a small offering of what we've got available. Obviously this one's not available because we just made this. Look at that beauty. That's a Go Mai blade with that awesome voodoo resin handles. Also from Voodoo Resins, we can step right over here to this beautiful black hole purple on some Alabama Damascus steel. Here we have a custom hunter, which is Damascus over 15 and 20 over 80 CRV2 with some mammoth in the handle, wingay and African bloodwood, custom lanyard. Rocking a little bit over here, we have the Warncliffe. I call this one Heathcliff with the custom skateboard scales. The red and black cowhide sheath. All these come equipped with the kydex sheaths. We jump a little bit right back over to here. We have one of my personal favorites. This ultra thin fighter. Super beautiful with the triple dyed burl handle. Lime green GT pins. This was a fun little collab I did with my brother Sean. That's our little orc hunter right there. Nice. And then you step right on over to here and we have a nice little Sheffy that we recently finished up. It's looking for a new home. All of these are custom made right here in Greenville, Metal Bros Customs.
Tell me about this one right here. What is this?
So this is not a finished piece yet. This is what's called a kusarigami. When done, it will have about 6 foot of chain that hangs out of the back of it. I'm in the process of making the chain for that. And it will go to a push dagger that's made from moku megane. And this is a silicon bronze.
Nice. And what about this bad boy?
This beautiful little piece right here is the Gentleman's Warhammer. This is Flutagon steel from Coal Iron Works. It is a beautiful high pressure, high temp tool steel. Makes amazing hammers. And then you have the cane shaft, which is Purple Heart. That's darkened over time. And then you jump down here to the butt cap, which is actually made from the whole steel of the USS Battleship Texas. And it's got an inlaid thread so that it screws on so you can replace the cap with a rubber cap for safety or whatever.
Beautiful.
Yeah, they are.
Tell me about what you have coming up here in the future.
So with Metal Bros, we have a number of shows coming up. We will be doing a hometown show here in Greenville in the middle of September. It's the Lee Street Jamboree. The very next week, we will be in Fort Worth at the Cowtown Custom Knife Show. Come out to Fort Worth, see some amazing makers. Maybe come buy a knife. I don't know. Just at least come say hi. Then in October, we have the East Texas Custom Knife Show in Edom, Texas, over at the Blade Bar. Big shout out to Jonathan Sibley for everything he does out there. And then we also have in November the Conroe Custom Knife Show in Conroe, Texas. And that's going to be a lot of fun because we will be actually forging and doing a you make it, you take it type thing where you can actually swing a hammer and make your own knife. Now, other than Metal Bros, I'm also going to be at the Texas Renaissance Festival every weekend through October and November doing the Dragon Forge experience, where you can come in and actually swing a hammer and make a knife or a sword or a war hammer or any number of things right in the mouths of dragons. And if you don't know what that means, go look up Dragon Forge experience and then you'll want to book an experience and come say hi.
Nice. I've seen a little bit of that, man, and it looks fun. It looks cool.
It's so much fun. So much fun.
All right. I appreciate it, Scott.
Thank you, brother.
That's it for the video. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I'll see you on the next adventure.